Hello friends, today another important topic that is very interesting for businessmen and entrepreneurs on the Bulgarian market. Dividends tax treatment. So, dividends are capital gains and Levying dividend tax subject on dividend tax. Dividends received from a Bulgarian company from another Bulgarian company are not the subject of this taxation. Also not subject of this taxation are enterprises registered in the European Union. The rate of the dividend tax is 10%. It is sort of withholding tax, so it means that the taxation is done and paid at the source. Special conditions of this taxation, as I mentioned, residents of EU country but not registered in another jurisdiction out of the European Union, they are not subject of the Bulgarian dividend tax. They are taxed in their own country. For example, to see how important and what beneficial for you will be moving your taxation, total taxation in Bulgaria. The dividend tax in Germany, for example, is 27%. Dividend tax is also paid at the source when pay income to individuals. So the three more important and frequently met cases are income from shares of incorporated business, allocating of earnings, also could be kind of licenses, royalties, etc. Income sorts coming from Bulgarian territory. So the dividends is measured, this is the portion of the profit after taxation received by the beneficiary. So taxation in case of the companies, it is treated legally by the Article 194 from the Corporate Income Tax Act, and also again very important and beneficial, European residents are not subject of this taxation. Here I mentioned it explicitly as well. So tax base of the dividends to be levied on tax is simple. Say what is paid to you, and this is what is the part of the profit after taxation or the balance sheet profit. Also, it is important to see that this obligation follows filing and submitted dividend tax declaration to the National Revenue Agency. It is done only by electronic signature at the electronic portal of the Bulgarian National Revenue Agency. You can see here list of all by now countries with which double taxation treaty is signed with Bulgaria. This is all European member countries with another 40. By now there are almost 65 jurisdictions and countries that benefit. You can benefit using avoiding double taxation. In order to get this to enjoy double taxation avoidance, some documents should be prepared. That is why it is very, very important to have experienced partner that know deeply tax regulation, tax law in Bulgaria. We will be very, very happy if you choose us as a tax advisor. To open business in Bulgaria as a freelancer or by incorporating company in Bulgaria, we'll be very, very happy to advise you also on the other important taxation like corporate tax, business trip expenses, treatment, social expenses. And don't forget our special promise: always best prices and legal reduction of your taxation. Our contacts, if you choose us as a partner, always keep to our paramount principles and our primary goal, 24 hours per week at all circumstances, is to help you to grow with your business and we to enjoy and grow together with you. Good luck, friends.